Haka Rakhe Jong Northeast United Football Club. Halor ka Jingjam Shao Mawmer ba Snem. Haka Jingiaid Lynti na dupala Iaka. Kalapan long ya ka Rakhe mentak sngi ka arko tarik unai lor arhajar arfulai. Ha Nongpoh Guwahati. Haka balawan bani simpentan deki nongilam Jong ketika kenhoni lekai. Na ka Jinglum lang Jong ki pratali ki jela ka thanchate lamingi Jong dari India. La sngewbha ru ya ki nonglum khubor na borok pratali ki jela Jong ka thanchate lamingi Jong gari ban longga khubor saborok ki jela Jong kene ka than. Na kaliang Jong ki nongilam ka Neufc. Haka Jingilam Jong CEO u mandar tamhane. Ula yo ban keren sekilat patai khubor ban bataya ke Jingiaid Lynti kene ka club football na ki jela Jong ka thanchate lamingi Jong dari India. U CEO mandar tamhane haba jingkren ulong baka Northeast United Football Club ketika wei nagi club kenika than chate lamingi kabala penmi ya ki nong ilekai na keleng ki bynta jonggari ban lek ilekai ru shakaleng ha kabala la ru ban sakhi baki samla jong kenika than ki long ki bedon sabha bat kumta ka club kalaya chakamat ban donno saka silam ai jehikai na ka bynta ki khnaren u mandar tamhane ulapan pauru ba kumunong ilam jong ka club ukwa Iaka Jingiaid lang Jong ki jela chate lamingi jonggari India bat shushu Uteu CEO ula ai ke jing kublai ke bakarpang ya ke sarkar Meghalaya lengba Jong katana tourism kabala ai ke jing kersian ya ke club namar ka football hi ke de shibenta ban kenteu ya ki kam jongok kai perthai kibala ai jing kren lang ha ke sngi ki kentup ya head coach Ujon Pedro Benali nang tau assistant coach Naushat Musa bat kum juru ki noi lekai ki bakentup ya Parthip Gogoi Mirshad Michu bat Migul Sabako.
You treat them as your assets, they are never going to give you your 100%. So it's important that we create an environment which is conducive for everybody to perform, where everybody wants to punch above their weight, so to say. You know? And it's not very easy. You need to have a lot of good characters within the dressing room, you need to have a lot of leaders within the dressing room. Michelle is one of them here, we've got Musa, we've got so you need characters who can lead the team in that way. So the primary focus when it comes to just the first team is to obviously have a good technical staff, you know, who are able to deliver or who are able to get the best out of the players. And then obviously you have to create this environment. You have to ensure that the players are well looked after within the limitations that we have as a football club, because looked after means there's no limit to it. So within the limitations, how good you can look after the players, you can look after the staff so they're comfortable, to create that winning mentality. It's all up there, you know. So that is in my past experience, it's very contagious. Like if even if you are not doing well as a team, how you can keep everybody together and work together is something which is very easy to speak, but it's very difficult to make it as a practice or make it as a habit. So I think that's the basic thing in terms of the first team that we need to do. Obviously, every player is good. It's just creating a good environment, giving him the right kind of support for him to flourish. And I think as a club, that is our primary goal to start off with. And then obviously there are many other things that
me coming here. So I was talking to Mandar sir about like. We wanted to move on, and then the first thing we were like, which club? You know? So we just came out that we just decided that, you know, this is one region where we can do a lot of work. There is lots to do here because you have 8 states, and if you see most of the club, all the clubs in the country, all the clubs and even academies, they come scouting to Northeast, and we as a Northeast team, we have not really done much work, so it was the best challenge for us, and to really take this opportunity to work and see that, you know, how much
games, and we try that everyone arrives to the best to the next game. The problem we have, now we have 3 games in a row, then we stop for a week, and then we start again. In that week, we need to give some day off, of course, but after that we need a friendly game. We need that everybody be ready. We never know, there's football and injuries, bad performance, a lot of things happen. and we need everybody to be prepared. In this moment, I think we have 23 players, and the 23 players are ready to play. And that's they're all in the same minutes, same performance. Anyone who goes inside, we know, is ready. But after, we need to do some friendly games, and we wish that we can do with the teams around the region, that we can see players also. That's one of the reasons also.